Check this out. Genie, Ryobi. It works. So you can now get a replacement Ryobi garage door opener made by Genie. I followed these steps. Basically, use step 1, 10 for Ryobi. On your remote, press button 2, hold it down while holding number 4. Press number 4 4 times. The little blue light flashes, and then you gotta wait for it to stop flashing. Then just push the learn button, the program button on the Ryobi. The light goes out. Then you just hit the button that you want to program until the garage door opens. And it was like the 3rd button. So now I gotta do the other opener. Pretty easy, pretty cool. Finally have some choices. If that didn't work, there was an alternate step, but I didn't need it. So I got this thing, I think it was like 30 bucks on eBay, brand new. My garage door opener guy told me about it when I had some new springs installed. It says right there it's compatible with Ryobi. It says in the instructions like 332 megahertz, but I couldn't find out what my Ryobis are. But obviously that's the frequency. So there's the part number. I think you can read that, 40659R. So cool. So I've got 2 Ryobi garage door openers, so I love them. They're quiet, they're smooth, battery backup. But I've got 4 cars, and so I had to destroy one of my openers for my security system so I could actually close the garage door. But now I have Genie as a backup. I'm going to try to program my gate. Let's do it one more time. What the hell? Let's just close it. Cool. I like it. It's the professional line. So here we go. I'm going to try to program the Genie on the other garage. So hold down button 2, press number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let go. So this time I'm going to program, actually 2 should be the 2 car. So I hit this button, let's go, now I gotta hit the 10. The button I want to program, hit it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I gotta wait for it to finish flashing. Could be up to 15 seconds. Then the next step, once that stops flashing, it's gonna stop, turn off. Okay, now I hit the program button on the garage door. I think it's that one. Okay, that's programming. So now I hit the button I want to do, so I just do, hold it down. Supposed to wait for it to stop flashing. Oh, there we go, second choice. Oh, that was too cool. I'll close my garage door. Awesome. So now I got both the Ryobis programmed. Ooh, that sounded good. On one remote. Awesome. Thank you, Genie. This is not a paid ad. I just wanted another backup plan. I like this little remote. It's small. Let's see how to turn this.